Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max. And if you need to find where the fuse for the rear view camera is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now, before we start, let me tell you that should work on Ford C-Max, hybrid, non-hybrid guys, generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you actually have three different fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood, okay, in the corner there. One is inside the vehicle, kind of like behind the dash, under the glove box compartment. And then you come right here. If you come, check this thing out, over here, you come to the side, right here in the trunk, you have one more cover. You remove that cover, guys, and when you remove that cover, you can see we have the fuses, okay, over there. These fuses, guys, okay, that's where we will be working now. So which fuse we need to check? It's a small fuse, guys, 5M fuse, and it's known as fuse number 31. So if I come right here now, on the very left row, on the bottom we are missing one fuse. Okay, even if you're missing, you count it. Okay, you need to come to the third fuse. 1, 2, 3. That 5M fuse right here, guys, that's for your rear view camera. If you want to see how to test the fuse or relay, I'll put a link in the description of the video below and where you can get them for a really good price and quick shipping. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.